Hey guys, today I wanted to show you my latest build, a 2004 Nissan Xterra. Now I've been doing a lot of work away from the camera, but first I just wanted to give you an overview of where it started. This Xterra is the XE model with a 3.3 liter V6, non-supercharged unfortunately, but it also has four-wheel drive. Now a lot of people do overland builds, they jack them up and whatnot, but I was really thinking of going a different route. Now, to let you know what I'm on about, let's do a review first.
While the Xterra is an SUV, it's from a time when cars were not bogged down with safety equipment and reinforcement, so it feels much lighter than you'd think an SUV should. When you go into a turn, you have a higher level of confidence that it won't tip on you. There is some body roll, but only enough to have some fun. Not enough to turn it into an Australian Xterra. Onto the engine. It is a V6 that is larger than my old Audi, but makes less power out of the factory. And in a car that is around 600 pounds heavier, you feel it. But still being only a shade over 2 tons, it's quicker than you think. Wait, it's 9.1 to 60? That's really, just stop recording. Anyways, I love a good V6. Having driven an inline-4, V8, V6, and straight 6, the V6 has to be my favorite. It may not have the revability and eagerness that a 4-pot has, or the grunt of a V8, or the smoothness of a straight 6, but it makes up for it in effort. You really feel like work is being put in.
Anyways, I wanted to share the results of the team's blood, sweat, and tears over these past couple months. But enough of that review. Here it is. Don't worry guys, we're all okay. We're working on getting a new car as we speak. Just wanted to say thank you all for this great, albeit if one episode series, and I hope you guys had a great laugh, but we look forward to seeing you next time when we get a new series up and running.